First, I want to say that not everything about Make Money Online is a scam, but there are some telltale signs that you need to make yourself aware of to avoid getting scammed. So to kick this video off, we're going to go over to Warrior Plus. This is their top 10. This is their leaderboard. These are the most popular products. These are the products that are selling well right now. We're just going to take a look at one. Number 2, AI Capture Flow. This is the sales page for AI Capture Flow. Some immediate telltale signs. World's first AI-powered app that lets you record screen capture and edit videos like pro in 60 seconds. Not really that bad. A telltale sign, making us $503.46 daily without doing anything, without being on camera, technical skills, or past experience required. Those are some telltale signs. There are more telltale signs about Warrior Plus in general, or the products that get sold over on Warrior Plus, because Warrior Plus is just a marketplace. They don't create the products, they just create the marketplace for vendors and affiliates and customers to come together to make transactions. Over at Trustpilot, for Warrior Plus, 1.4 stars. Stop selling scam products from independent sellers. Star rating says it all. Next up, a site you may or may not heard of, JVZoo, top sellers. Again, not everything on here is a scam, but there are some telltale signs. SendBuddy, AI 2K. Basically anything these days with AI in it, especially on these two marketplaces, is an immediate telltale sign. This is the sales page for SendBuddy AI. Do you want to get more rankings, traffic, and sales faster and easier without doing any of the work yourself? Get targeted traffic to any offer or service by letting our proven army of 8,810 members do all your social syndication for you so you can rank on page 1 in 48 hours or less. So you can rank on page 1 in 48 hours or less. And it works for any niche, any location, and any language. We've created the best and only platform for getting real social shares from real people all over the world 100% automatically. Definitely some telltale signs, and you can head over to Trustpilot. 3.4 stars, not as bad as Warrior Plus, but you can see the 1-star review here. I bought at least 5 SaaS digital products. You did get a reply here from JVZoo, but to clarify, JVZoo is a marketplace, not product creators or owners. While we do not have any support tickets from you, we can and will assist you in reaching out to support staff of any product you purchased off of our marketplace. If you would like assistance, we are happy to give help when we are given the opportunity. So again, just like Warrior Plus, they wash their hands of the fact that these products with these telltale signs are being sold and people aren't happy with them. They're not happy with the software that they purchased. They're not happy with the support that they're getting from the vendors that sell on these marketplaces. These are telltale signs for scams overall. Again, I'm not saying that JVZoo and Warrior Plus is a scam. I'm saying there are telltale signs to avoid when you're looking for real methods, real strategies, training software out there that help you make money online. Now, there's a link in the description. It'll take you over to this page, and here's what no one tells you about making money online. Don't be fooled by shiny object schemes selling you incomplete solution and empty promises. These vendors always leave you stranded, pushing expensive upgrades without real substance. They prey on your hopes, convincing you that effortless wealth is just a push away. They do this to keep you buying again and again. True success requires more than just buying into the hype. For free Foundation Success Blueprint, learn how to build an evergreen business with real income. Enter your name, enter your email, check these boxes, and click Watch Now. Eventually, that's going to get you access into Taking Action Online from Philip Barrowman. He is the creator of Taking Action Online. Inside of the foundation, you'll have access to how to make money using the TAO training, that's Taking Action Online, passive income and evergreen businesses, honesty, trust, and transparency and why it matters, and it should always be at the utmost forefront. Compound growth and passive income, why TAO was created, a little history, proof that TAO works, and let's get started with the training. Again, there's a link in the description. You can check that out from Taking Action Online. I'm in there. I'm in the community. I go through the training. I've worked with Philip Barrowman one-on-one as well as in group trainings. I followed his methodology, his frameworks. I utilized what I learned from him to assist me to grow this channel. and I recommend him wholeheartedly. That's why there is a link in the description. And I made this video, again, not to call out Warrior Plus or JVZoo, but to call out the telltale signs for you, for my audience to be aware of. Once you see this video, now you understand when you see certain products from certain marketplaces and you can key on those phrases like 100% done for you, nothing to do for you, no hard work, made me $500, $600, $1,000 effortlessly, no money, no work involved, 100% automatic, AI assisted, setback, no work for you to do, just rake in the cash. Look for these telltale signs. They're easy to spot once you start looking for them and you've trained yourself to be ready or prepare yourself not to get scammed by these methods. Again, the link in the description for the foundation training from Taking Action Online. It's free. It's in the description. Click it. Join. I look forward to seeing you inside the Taking Action Online community. I'll talk to you then. Bye.